Today we're gonna learn about tall and long, where to use tall and where to use long. Tall can be defined as standing, and long can be described as flat or lying down. And two more things are length and duration. So we're gonna move to some examples. The first example we see here, the movie was. It is a length, so we're gonna write long. The movie was long. The movie was long. The next is the rope is long because it is a length. Long. The rope is long. The next is the man is. It is a standing object, the man. So it is going to be tall. The man is tall. The next is the street is. The street is. It is a length. So we are going to say it long. The street is long. The next is the cake is. It is a standing, so it is going to be tall. The cake is tall. The next is the railway is. It is a length, so it is going to be long. The railway is long. Yes. The next example is my brother is. Yes, you can guess. My brother is tall because it is a standing thing, so it is going to be tall. The next is the table is. The table is long because it has a length, so it is gonna be long. The next is the grass is. The grass is tall because when you see grass, it is tall and it is standing, not long, tall. The grass is tall. The next is the ruler is. The ruler is. So it is gonna be long because it is a length. Long. Yes, long. It is pretty easy. The next is the house is. The house is. This one is easy one, so it is gonna be tall because house is a standing thing. The next is the day was. The day was long. Yes, the day was long because when we saw at first that long can be described as duration. The day is a duration. I'm gonna write it duration. So it is gonna be long. The day was long. The next is the tower is. It's the most easiest one. The tower is tall. The tower is tall because it's a standing thing, so it is gonna be tall. The next is the book is. The book is. This one is left for the comments. You should try to guess what it is. Comments. For today, bye. I hope so you enjoyed the video and understood it well.